What's good, Bassdrop Militia? In today's video, we're going to be doing a candy strawberry recipe called Tanghulu. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it! Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. We're not wasting any time today. Without any further ado, I bring you Tanghulu. Here we go. Alright guys, so we got our sugar inside of our saucepan. We're putting the heat on low. We're going to go ahead and add our water in. And we're adding in our honey for flavor and to help medicate this up. If you want to see the full ingredient list and get all the directions and everything, goodeats420.com. Click the link that's in the description. It'll take you over where you'll get the full recipe and ingredient list. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're not going to stir that around. We don't want that sugar to crystallize. Some people think that if you have the honey in there that it won't crystallize, but I've still seen it happen before. So we're going to be very careful with it so that the sugar don't crystallize. And so we have this on a low temperature. We're going to keep this at a low temperature until our sugar and the water and the honey and everything mixes well and the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves fully, we'll go ahead and put it on medium, and then we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and give it a couple minutes here, and let's let this sugar fully dissolve on low. Alright guys, so we're starting to get some action inside of the saucepan now. We want all that sugar to start dissolving. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our thermometer in here. And we're going to want this to hit 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius, the hard crack. It says hard crack on the thermometer. That's what we want it to hit on the thermometer. We're doing this without corn syrup. A lot of the recipes use corn syrup. We're not going to use corn syrup in ours. Alright, so we basically got the sugar dissolved now, and so basically we have it at a medium temperature, and so we're going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes until it hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius right there where it says hard crack on the thermometer. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, so we hit the right temperature now. We're going to go ahead and turn the flame off. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our 1 or 2 drops of red food coloring in. We're going to add in our tincture. We're going to stir it up here. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and start coating our strawberries. Alright guys, so I just showed you how to make Tanghulu. The great thing about this is you can make this with any fruit that you choose. You don't have to pick strawberries. You can pick any fruit that you want to do. So I really appreciate everybody spending a little time with me today. Thank you very much. If you have any questions or concerns, put them in the comment section. Please join the membership program and support us here on the channel. If you want to support us off of YouTube, please come and join our Patreon. It really does help making all these videos. So guys, that's it. I hope that you found this video helpful. Until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. Man, this is good.